beehive! Oh, wait. Son of a beehive!
I know, right? We're fighting
The queen bee.
What's up, guys?
Yep.
Charlie Bob here, and with his friend Luke. Oh, and say hi, Striker. His thing's dead, so he can't play. Sadly, yeah.
Sad, very sad.
Yeah.
I don't really want it on there.
Wait, I'll go check. Yeah, go check.
Yeah, go check. Get out of here. Alright, so
the beehive
it's gonna be pretty hard, but it'll take a while to get there, so we're gonna do a cutscene, and alright. Hey guys, we are at the beehive. Alright, so do we just have to mine this then?
Yes.
Oh crap.
Bees come out in one kill.
Well, I can kill him with my pickaxe.
Ow. Oh, I'm getting bee blocks.
And we can make stuff out of the hive?
Yeah, we can. We need that honey hive thing that we got.
Beehive armor? I heard beehive armor.
Oh yeah, you gotta kill her to get it. Okay, let's wait for a minute because almost dead. Okay, we have a chance to get in, but let's wait to regen and stuff.
I have 1 heart.
What?
I'm only missing 1 heart.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, so get him.
There, I made it inside.
Give us some time to regen. Don't hit that thing yet. Give me some time to regen. What is it?
You almost.
It's the spawner. Once you hit it. And okay.
Oh crap.
No, she's huge.
Where's she?
Does that, but she stops. And time to stop. Okay, hit her. Come on, hit her.
Hey, tell me while you're doing that, I'm gonna switch over.
Any bee clothes, can I have it?
Oh, okay.
Yay.
If I don't have any cool, if she
drops the bee cool stuff that you can armor with, I'm gonna give that to you.
I just want boots, because I don't have any vanity boots, and I want some queen bee boots. I'm poisoned. Is this gonna be another easy one?
Probably not.
I'm just gonna sit here and die. You know?
This thing is hard. Guys,
I wish we had wings. What are those?
Step back.
Why?
Okay, jump. Going up to you. Okay, now it's gonna go back down. Oh, it's going back up. Okay, go over here and let's do this.
Oh, I only have 3 hearts.
Okay.
Here, you go in there and kill her.
Okay.
She almost dead?
Yeah, she's pretty fast.
Oh, I'm gonna die. I don't wanna die. Go kill her, Tommy.
I'm trying the hardest.
Oh, come on, really?
The whole room turns black whenever I do this. Okay. Oh, come on, I can do this. Come on.
He's
Come
gonna
on,
do
Charlie.
it.
Come on. I can do it.
Just 1 more. Oh, come on, we don't get to see him. Wait, don't kill it yet.
Yes.
Oh, he did it. Dang
Yes.
it. Tommy.
Yes.
I didn't get to see it.
Yes. Yes, I got it. I got the bee gun. Yes.
Bee gun? Wait, wait. I have to come.
I can make some bee armor for you. Yes.
Wait, what does the bee gun do?
I'll show you. It's pretty cool. Nice. Watch this. Get them.
Does it have unlimited ammo?
Yeah.
Oh. What does it use? Mana?
Yeah.
It uses mana?
Yes. Oh, beacon. That's nice. Okay, that was the queen bee, guys.
Alright, that was pretty easy.
Intense. Wait, let's look
That
for
wasn't too
another one.
intense. Let's go kill her again, and then maybe we get 2 bee guns.
Maybe. Now let's see if there's like another beehive.
Alright, I'm coming down. Hey, why don't we mine all that beehive material?
Is there another beehive here?
I don't know.
Maybe not yet.
I thought so.
I thought I saw one.
Dang it, Tommy, why did you have to kill her without me? I didn't get to see it.
Well, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I just had to. I was gonna die. It was gonna be a giant mess.
This is where we got the I Cthulhu.
Yeah, right here.
Shoot that. What's in this chest?
Probably nothing.
Nope.
That was fun as heck. Oh, I died. Stuff I can.
Ooh, this place is cool.
I could probably make some boots
For me.
I could probably.
A lizard? This guy like super overpowered. What the heck was that?
Okay. Oh no, I need this.
Alright, so we're back home, and I should have probably pressed my magic mirror, but it didn't. Yeah. Is this that beehive thing?
I got 2 boots for each of you.
Yay, can I have my boots?
These are pretty cool. Strikers. We'll get them later. Oh, I think I'm sorry. Here you go. Oh, I think you're in too.
Yeah, well, I should still get them because they're boots. Here, I got some hive for you. It's in that chest right there. It's weird that I can't put them on.
How do you make a lightsaber? Oh.
Tommy, how much defense do you have now?
I have still 13.
I have 14, I think.
Wait.
Oh, how do I still have 12? 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16. I should have 17, but I don't. Does it only do the things that are up here?
Well, probably.
Let's see if I change it. Yep. I guess I'm gonna look less cool. Let's see. Just for the armor. No, I'm just joking. Do I need this mining helmet? Tommy?
What?
Do I need this mining helmet? Like, make that crown.
You should make the crown.
Alright. We are saying crown. Crayon. That's not crown. It's funny that you call it a crown. What's killing me? It's a zombie. It's killing me now.
Well, guys, that was Queen Bee, man. I mean, she was pretty intense.
Yep.
I mean, she was one of the hardest ones. She was almost.
She was harder.
Yeah.
Yeah. So where do you find the next guy?
Next boss, like we should.
Who's our next boss? Okay.
We're gonna try. Well, I don't think you're gonna agree with this. But try to beat the wall of flesh.
Oh, where do you find him?
The underworld.
Ah.
I know, but we can go straight down.
Yeah, me and Logan did that even got close.
Yeah, but guys,
I guess I'm gonna sell my mining helmet.
That was the Queen Bee, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe.
Yeah.
Leave a like to our channel.
There, now I am the king of Terraria.
Oh my gosh, we were clicking. So subscribe as always, and we will see you next time. Say bye, guys.
Bye.